welcome back. So today I'm here with Gorgius here once more. Yep, this is the box. I've always liked the packaging. It's really pretty. Love the iridescent vibe. So for today's, so in the box I see this little drawstring bag, so we'll get into that in a few. I got a wig cap and I got a pouch here, branded Gorgius, and it's the same type of iridescent vibe. Inside I have a edge brush and comb, pins. I got these two clips. I got a tweezer, elastic band, and that's it for what's in the pouch. So the wig is in here, so let's see what we got. This is like a kinky straight bang wig. Now you guys know I don't do a lot of bangs, but this looks so nice. It feels real strong. It's that kinky straight texture. I'm getting absolutely no shedding from this, none whatsoever. This wig is going to be like a draw and go, super easy to install because there's no lace, and it looks really sleek and nice. So the inside of the wig looks like this. Let me show you. So alright, there is a bit of lace, but here in the middle portion, when you do a bang and you have that mid portion there where it shows the scalp, so I guess I did that to mimic the scalp there. And this is how it looks. Absolutely no lace in the front. It has a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap, 2 at the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. They even put a extra elastic band inside for more security. So I'm gonna go ahead and slip this on for you guys so you can see how easy and just convenient this wig is, especially if you're working class and you want a little wig for wear go work, but you don't necessarily want to be confined to it, so you want to dry it off when you come home. This is the vibes, especially if you like a good bang. So I'm gonna just slip this on my head. So this is quite snugged. I don't even stick the combs in as yet, so I just stick it in on the side. I love that the bang is not super thick. Sometimes I look at some bang and them look like helmet, and I just adjust. Oh, this actually looks good, guys. I'm gonna do one bang. When I did when I cut my real hair in a bang, which was a while ago, it was something like this when I used to relax my hair. This is different. So you see how the top looks like scalp? So that's where they put the lace. I'm just gonna run through this to make it even more bone straight, but this is how it looks. It's a nice blunt cut bob that's going on. So in terms of the specifications, I'm gonna put everything in my description box, the length, the density, and it's a 1B color, as you can see. But I feel like this wig it's gonna be nice and durable because I love the fringe vibe, and I want it to be uniform. I like the streaky vibe in the front. Yeah, I feel like it's going to be a very durable, I feel like when you have this kind of texture, the kinky feel, it just, I don't know, usually my experience with them, they don't shed as much as a regular full-on silky straight hair texture. But I'm just amazed. I love the way they did the cap construction because it is snugged on my head, super snugged. So that is a 10. You guys know I don't usually even wear my hair down over my ears like this. I usually put it behind. Oh, but it's a vibe. I don't like hiding my ears. I really don't. And it made me feel, I don't know, something about it. If the hair is over my ears, it made me feel hot. It's exactly how my hair did look when I relaxed it and I did a bang. This is really nice. But I'm gonna go ahead and try it out like this. I'm gonna run through it. It's not even going to be much work. I'm just gonna run through it with my flat iron. This is literally so beginner friendly. It's you can finesse this in less than a minute. It's slip on and go. The ultimate slip on and go. Like how I show you guys curly bang wig the other day, like twice. This is like the straight version to that, and this is not too thick. It's like movement. Yeah, gorgeous wig. This wig is gorgeous, and I'm just being extra trying to make this more bone straight, because how it is straight out of the packaging is still perfect. So I love, you see that movement? That is beautiful. Beautiful. No product is in this, by the way, guys. You know, usually, you know, I have to use like a wax stick and flat down the top. No, that's why I'm just in awe. None of that. Like, they really knew what they were doing when they were creating this wig. Yeah, this is my kind of vibe with a bang, if I should wear one. This is it. That's literally it. That is it, guys. There's nothing else you need to do. It's gorgeous as is. Look at that cut. It's perfect. It's a 10. 10 out of 10 would recommend this wig if you're looking for convenience, if you're looking for style, if you're looking for, you know, trend, like a nice trendy look still, like, even though cause you know sometimes you go with something where super quick and just easy, but it's not all that, like, I'm not really hot girl kind of vibes. This is still that, you know, so can't complain. This with the right outfit is really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said before, I'm going to be sure to put the specifications of this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out, as well as the direct link. I want to shout out to Gorgius Wig once more for my bang bob today. It's amazing, and still no shedding whatsoever. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video informative and, like, you know, you like the look, go ahead and like the video, leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and check me out on my vlog channel as well over by PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.